everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Sunday. Today I'm going to do an old pour. I'm just going to do a wandering straight pour, but I'm going to make some definite curves and lines and things like that when I'm pouring out the cup and then stretch it out. Got a really cool color palette, so let's get down on the canvas and check it out and we'll get started. Be right back. Okay everyone, so I've got a 20 by 24 deep edge gallery wrap canvas, and today, like I said, I'm going to be doing one of my wandering straight pours, but I'm going to create some zigzag lines in here, so when you stretch it out, it's kind of going to have this wavy pattern. So my colors that we're going to go with, I'm going to use a Bordeaux Red for the base coat. These are all mixed with American Floetrol and paint. Maybe just a little bit of water, but not much. This here is my Carmine Red. We got Pebeo Blue Green. Got some Crimson Orange. Got some Lemon Yellow. And then I've got, oops, I just stuck my paint finger right in the paint. And I got white. All right, so let's get myself cleaned up. We're gonna need about 17 ounces of paint. I'm gonna be pouring paint into a 20-ounce cup. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna be pouring this way. So what I'll do is definitely get paint here, here, here. I'm gonna put base coat all over, but I just want to make sure I get enough paint on the canvas to get on my corners so I don't have sides and edges that are not getting paint. So let's start to layer our cup. So let's start off with some of our Bordeaux Red. I'm going to use some nice thick layers here. Come in with some blue-green. Some white, some orange, some yellow, some Carmine Red, then let's come in with the blue-green again. White, orange, yellow, Bordeaux, some blue, and some white. That's plenty enough paint. Now we're just going to do a straight pour right here. Just kind of zigzag along, pouring slowly. Not going to be happy over here, I don't think. Let's give this a torch. Let's walk this down a little bit. Back. Bring it down this way. Anchor it this way. Let's take some of this white off. Okay, it's kind of got a little crazy, but I'm not going to scrape it. I'm just going to leave it here and let it dry. I got enough paint off the sides and edges, so that's good. Yeah. Get to see all the colors in it. It's pretty cool. Just didn't want it to go too crazy, and it did go crazy. Got a lot happening here, but I'm not gonna scrape it. I'm just gonna let it be. Okay, everyone, that is it for today's video. So I realized I didn't even show you guys wet results, but I do have dry results. Here we are. So it is kind of chaos and crazy. It really went nuts over through here. So I got some big boulder cells through here. It's crazy. That's the only thing I can say for it. I have to say I was kind of just going, I wanted to go for more of a flow wave like this, but it just got a little out of control. But cool color combination, and I'm okay. I'm happy with the outcome. It got away from me a little bit, I will say. So that's okay though. Anyways, I'll take it. No big deal. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.